Morning campers, I'm Andre from Unique Camping Supplies. I've got a solution for keeping your tent flaps down on the ground when you camp. Now what campers are doing, they are packing like charcoal, wood, gas bottles and whatever. They pack it on the tent flaps here to keep the tent flaps down. Why do you want to keep the tent flaps down? You are trying to keep the creepy crawlies out of your tent. So what do you want to keep out? You want to keep out spiders, rodents, snakes, anything that can crawl underneath these flaps. You want to try and keep the flaps down. So what you are packed here now is not functional. I have removed now everything that I packed on the tent flaps at the bottom here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you what I'm going to pack or lie down onto these tent flaps to keep them down. If you look down here, I have invented a tent flap weight, which is tubes that you fill with water. It's very strong. It's made from a polyplastic. It's the same material as they use for pontoons. What you do is you unscrew your cap here and you fill it with water until it's full. You put your screw cap back on, and then I'll show you. I'll pack these onto the flaps and you'll see how functional these tent flaps are. You'll see now I've packed the tent flap weights on the bottom of your tent flaps. It makes a very nice 90-degree corner because you can fold it. It closes up your corner in your tent, and on the ends here they go very close together, so it will actually seal the bottom of your tent completely so that nothing can crawl underneath here, and it will keep 75% of rainwater out of your tent. If you don't want to lose your space on the bottom of your tents, I've got another solution for you. I also have what they call a camp utility hanger that you can clip onto your tent, onto your poles, and whatever you have packed on the bottom of your flaps that you don't want to be on your flaps, what I do is I can now hang my charcoal there, I can hang my gas bottle here, and it's all off your tent, and you have solved the problem with keeping your tent flaps down onto the ground. Now I sell this in a kit form, 2 meters and a 1 meter, neatly packed into a carry bag like this for easy storage. And when you're done and you finished camping, you can just take the tube, unscrew your cap, drain the water onto the ground or onto the grass, roll it back up, put it back into your bag for easy storage within your caravan. Thank you for your time.